Learn English with Titanic Movie. Choose the correct vocabulary. Part 9 of 10. Remember the words. You'll be tested later in this video. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Desperate. Terrifying. Immense. Float. Survive. People became blank to find a place on a lifeboat. A. Float. B. Desperate. C. Immense. Correct answer, desperate. The noise of the ship breaking in half was blank. A. Survive. B. Terrifying. C. Float. Correct answer, terrifying. The Titanic was in blank ship, meaning it was extremely large. A. Desperate. B. Immense. C. Survive. Correct answer, immense. Rose managed to blank on a piece of wood in the cold water. A. Float. B. Terrifying. C. Immense. Correct answer, float. Only a small number of people were able to blank the disaster. A. Float. B. Desperate. C. Survive. Correct answer, survive. Like, comment and subscribe.